Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending to where you are watching from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl PHP. Now here is men at work. Wanaume wakiamua ni kufanya kazi, they have to do it. Here is men at work. They had to carry this tank to lift it up. Hizi tank zilikuwa zimejengewa, so lazima zingetolewa penye zilikuwa ziekwe hapo kwa hiyo penye palikuwa pamejengwa. It was too big and tall, ilikuwa mrefu kwenda juu, and the tank was too big, so it was group of men. I think you can see penye tank inapelekwa, so they had to lift it up. Wengine wako juu, wengine wako chini. Imagine wavurute hiyo tank mpaka ifike juu, yani sasa ifike like penye ilikuwa inafaa. The tank disturbed because it was too big, there was no enough space. They struggled, by the way, waling'ang'ana wakang'ang'ana mpaka hiyo tank ikafika juu. Ilikuwa kazi, ndiko kunaambiwa every time and every day, let us appreciate our men. Good job to those men. Unaona penye iko ni wanavuruta kidogo kidogo mpaka ifike juu. Nakwambia waling'ang'ana, tanki inafika juu inakwama. They had to struggle mpaka ifike juu. So sometimes appreciate the men. Hata kama kunaambiwa what a man can do, a woman can do better. Hapa sioni venye woman could do better. No, hapa is only the men, not a man, the men, because they were many for them to make the tank get to where it was supposed to be, but they tried. Good job. Naona venye hiyo kitu ni mrefu, nafaa kwenda huko juu hiyo tank. Good job. At the end they succeeded. Thank you very much. The girl PHP. Make sure you like the video, share and subscribe. For my new for the subscribers, thank you very much to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe the video, like and comment. In the next video nitawaonyesha kwenye tank zilikuwa zinafika na penye ziliekwa and how they look like after zimewekwa. Thank you very much, feel much appreciated. Like, comment and share, and more importantly, make sure you have subscribed. Wacha tuendelee kuwatch.